I'd say one is the lit fire emoji,
I think the flex bicep emoji.
and then the sunglasses emoji.
At number one, airplane, obviously. Number two, a rocket, and then our third is a helicopter.
The handshake emoji because we're all about teamwork and helping each other out. The heart emoji because I like to say that we're a big family. We've made such great connections. And then also the money emoji because we're all about our corporate sponsors and finding our students jobs after they graduate.
Plane emoji, the pencil emoji, and the handshake emoji.
The hammer, the gear, and the goat.
The globe, since it's part of our logo, the computer, and a heart.
The gear emoji because we're all engineers.
The ear emoji because we listen to students and present solutions to the deans.
And the sock emoji that's going up because we're always improving, always striving for better.
A gear, maybe like the glasses emoji, and then like the smiley emoji.
The handshake, the atom model, and the chemistry test too.
The purple heart, the gear, and the guy with like the little party hat, like celebrating.
Crystal ball, sword, and candy.
Crown, the rocket, as well as the party confetti one, just because of how much fun it is and the number of people we work with.